faster. I yawned one time in class and now the whole room is yawning. Did I break everyone?
You didn't break anyone. You just started a chain reaction.
A chain reaction? Am I contagious? Should I be quarantined?
It's not a virus. Sit down. Let me explain.
Then explain fast. Why does my yawn turn into everyone's yawn?
Old theory, yawns are basically sleepy air you're passing around like a hot potato.
Sleepy air? So I'm just breathing tired at people?
Nice try, but no. Scientists found the real reason, and it's in your brain.
My brain is doing this? Without asking me?
It's called mirror neurons. The second you see someone yawn, a group of brain cells fires up whose entire job is to copy what they just saw.
Copy? So my brain is basically a copy machine now?
Kind of. And here's the wild part. That copying instinct isn't random. It's your brain's version of empathy.
Empathy? I just opened my mouth really wide. How is that empathy?
Researchers found the more empathetic you are, the more likely you are to catch someone else's yawn.
Strangers barely get you. Family gets you almost every time.
Wait, so I set off the whole class because I'm that caring? That is not what I expected.
And here's the part that'll really get you. Dogs catch yawns from humans too. Just the humans they're close to.
Dogs? My neighbor's dog is gonna start yawning at me now?
Yep. This whole system is ancient. It runs on empathy wiring that's way older than humans.
Fine. Then I'll just hold my breath so I never yawn again. Watch me. I'm not looking at anything. I'm not listening to anything. I refuse to yawn.
Won't work.
Just seeing the word yawn, or even thinking about yawning, is enough to fire those neurons.
Even thinking about it? My whole brain is yawn thoughts right now. Aren't I basically about to explode?
Your eyes are watering and your mouth is already stretching open.
Congratulations.
Your mirror neurons are working exactly as designed.
I'm not being cursed. I just have too much empathy for my own good.